Now we're going to look at expanding double brackets. So with expanding double brackets, there are two methods you can do, or that I know of anyway. So you can use the FOIL method, which stands for first, outside, inside, and last, or you can do a grid. Doesn't really matter which one you want to use, as long as you get the right answer at the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to form a two-way table. And in this one at the top, we're going to put the x and 5 here. And then this one down here, we're going to put x and -7, and we're going to multiply. We're going to do x times by x, which is x squared, x times by 5, which is 5x, -7 times by x, which is -7x, and -7 times by 5, which is -35. Then what we're going to do is we're going to combine them together. So we're going to get x squared plus 5x subtract 7x subtract 35. And then we're going to collect like terms. The only like terms that we have is this 5x and -7x. The reason why they're like terms is because they've got that x next to each other. So x squared 5x subtract 7x is -2x. So minus -2x minus 35. So this one here, we're going to use the FOIL method. So FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. So the first one we do is we do the first sort of terms in the brackets, which is going to be 3x and 2x. So we're going to do 3x times by 2x. Outside are the terms that are the furthest away, so our outside furthest away from each other. So that is 3x and -7. So we're going to do 3x times by -7. Inside are the numbers that are the closest to each other. So that's 5 and 2x. And last are the last numbers that we've got. 3x times by 2x, that is 6x squared. 3x times by -7 is -21x. 5 times by 2x is 10x. And 5 times by -7 is -35. And similar thing to what we do to the table is we combine them together. So we get 6x squared -21x plus 10x subtract 35. We combined the like terms together, so -21x and 10x. So we get 6x squared -11x minus 35. Now that you've seen both the two methods that you can do it, you can decide which one you prefer. Let's do the table method. Okay, now we've got a bit of a wordy question. A rectangular garden has its length and width expressed algebraically. The length of the garden is 2x plus 3 meters and the width is x minus 4 meters. Find the expression for the area of the garden in terms of x. So formula for area of a rectangle is area is equal to length times by width. Our length in this instance is 2x plus 3 and our width is x minus 4. 2x and 3 on the top and x minus 4 at the bottom.